Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Paul Hirschman. I'm sorry that I couldn't be there tonight or today to be with you, but I'm traveling and I really wanted to go ahead and have the opportunity to introduce Angela LaRue to you. And I think she's got, I have a high level of confidence in her, and I'm extremely enthusiastic about the product that they're bringing to market. I've been building healthcare companies for 35 years, taking some of them public, and sold to an international company back 2 years ago. And I've focused in plastic surgery, dermatology. I'm involved as a board director with Ideal Implant. We have a solution that's not a gel implant. And I just want you to know it's a huge problem. And I think that women are tired of it, and the FDA is looking at it strongly. If you look at the rates of rupture, it's like in 10-year data shows from 9.3% of the 24.4% of women will have a silent rupture within 10 years. I think it's bad. And we did a survey, and we surveyed over 1,000 women, and 97% of them that said that they would want to know if they're silent rupture, if they rupture implant, and 95% said that they would want it out. And if you want it out, I'll tell you, this is the product that will do it easier, faster than any other product out there. So I hope you really give this serious consideration. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Angela LaRue, co-founder of LaRue Company. I began my surgical nursing career in the operating room of a large hospital with a team of around 80 surgeons. We performed all types of surgery, from neurosurgery to orthopedic surgery. If you can think of the surgery, I've probably assisted on it. Currently, I specialize in aesthetic surgery, and it was one day during a ruptured breast implant removal that I realized that surgeons across multiple specialties had a common problem: gelatinous materials. Whether it's a ruptured breast implant, blood clots, bowel contents, or abscess infectious materials, they are all hard to remove. And for the patient, their health, if not their very life, depends upon complete removal of these substances. So I took all that I had learned from 80+ surgeons, and I incorporated it into the LaRue surgical evacuator. We can handle the volume and viscosity of a breast implant, contain bowel contents, or evacuate a large blood clot within seconds with minimum cross-contamination and biohazard exposure. They say that a picture is worth 1,000 words. I hope this illustrates to you why surgeons struggle with silicone and other gelatinous materials. They get all over their gloves, coat their surgical instruments, and are easily reintroduced back into the body. Surgeons need a new approach. Currently, they use one of two methods to remove ruptured breast implants: either en bloc with total capsulectomy or hand and sponge removal. Both of these methods lead to longer surgery times and cross-contamination. Our device improves the efficiency and effectiveness of both of these methods. We have 3 surgeons on our scientific advisory board. All 3 have used our device in surgery, and they tell us that we can save them 20 minutes per breast, which equates to $2,700 cost savings per case. We are a Class 2, 510(k) exempt medical device. For a quicker, less expensive market entry, we are also partnering with an ISO 13485 manufacturer. So everything from manufacturing to distribution to regulatory compliance will all be handled under one roof. We plan to enter the aesthetic market first. As it is private pay, we can build revenue as we add on the expensive hospital surgeries. By 2023, when we enter the market, the cosmetic surgery market is projected to be $22 billion. breast augmentation is the #1 aesthetic surgery, and all breast implants are subject to rupture. The rate of rupture increases the longer an implant is in your body. And while rupture rates may vary among the brands of implants, new studies suggest that silicone in the silicone implants all degrade over time. And as they degrade, that silicone can leak out into the body whether it's ruptured or not. The FDA just placed a black box warning on implants just this year. But we have significant expansion potential beyond just aesthetics. We have surgical applications in colorectal surgery, general surgery, and orthopedic surgery. That means we are applicable for over 1 million surgeries per year, or 2.6 million devices per year, or a total annual revenue of over $500 million. To date, we have our FDA classification. We have been granted 1 U.S. utility patent. A second one is pending. We have conducted our clinical proof of concept testing, and as of tonight, we have completed the Health Wildcatters Accelerator Program. Going forward in 2022, we intend to manufacture our first round with 2,000 units, complete our GMP testing to be on the market in 2023. In 2024, we will conduct our research and development for additional hospital surgery, launch in 2025. We are raising $850,000, and with this money, we will purchase our manufacturing molds, manufacture 2,000 units, complete our GMP testing, and develop a presence in the aesthetic community. We have a lot going for us. We are the solution to a clearly defined problem. We have market appeal to surgeons and hospitals as we cut procedure costs and time. We have 1 U.S. utility patent, and a second one is pending. We have a clear regulatory pathway, a proven proof of concept, and conservative sales projections show us reaching our break-even point in year 1 for a quicker return on investment. I lead the team with my partner and COO, a 3-time business founder with 25 years experience in business ownership and management. We have put together an advisory team of scientific, legal, scaling, and clinical support, and we have just added a key advisor whose experience in taking several medical aesthetic devices from inception to commercialization to exit will be vital in our journey to commercialization and beyond. Please join us on our mission to help surgeons reduce surgery time and cost while providing better patient outcomes. We are a LaRue company where less mess equals less stress.